Most people think that AI tasks are just set it and forget it, but guess what? They're not. What I'm about to show you is the messy, powerful middle, the part that nobody tells you about. I'm inside of a new tool that I've been using, Abacus AI, and it's actually building a little task management where it's going to run a task for me. The cool thing is you can set up these tasks to run every day, once a week, whatever. But I put in what I thought I was looking for, but the task isn't smart enough yet. It just doesn't know exactly what I want. It can't read my mind, right? So I'm talking with AI. I'm going back and forth. I corrected, pushed back, I refined the logic, all of that kind of stuff. That's the secret on how AI actually becomes useful. It's not about memorizing all of these perfect prompts or hacks. It's the conversations that you have with that expert that kind of draws out of you what you're trying to figure out, that vague idea, into systems that will actually run your business. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how I'm using AI like my thinking partner, not just a shiny toy that I'm playing with. Okay. So let me let me share my screen, not hide it. Let me get the right screen open here. Okay, so this tool, Abacus, first of all, actually, let me come back here. I've got to tell you something first. First of all, I am blown away because this tool only cost, as of January 27th, $10 a month. And what it does behind the scenes, it hooks you in with all these other tools. So if you're paying oodles of money, I think this is going to be a solution. Now, I will drop my little affiliate link. I think it buys me a cup of coffee. It's a game changer. I am super excited about it. Anyway, sorry, I just had to share that with you. So let me come back over here. So Abacus AI, it is super powerful. I'm going to do another video later that really talks about all the bells and whistles. But what I want to show you today is what's known as tasks. So down here on the bottom left, there's task. I'm not going to, well, I guess I can click on it. I've set up 3 little tasks just to refine what I want to do. One of them runs every day. I tell it to go out and find some top articles, bring it back to me, give me a quick little synopsis. The other 2 things are like weekly tasks. Well, the first thing that happened is, let me see. I don't think I have it yet. Let me bring this over. I think you can see this. This is the task that it emailed me here. Now this looks pretty straightforward, but the very first time it sent me the result, it gave me like a whole page of telling me exactly what it was doing. I did this, I did that. It's like, I'm not interested in that. Just give me the end result. So I'm going to scroll back up here so you can see. I know you can't, let me make this a little bigger. I know you can't really read what I have here, but just to give you an idea of our conversations, okay? So let me keep coming back up here. So here were the instructions that I gave it today. I just said, I have a couple of tasks running. I've asked it not to give me a summary of all the step-by-steps, but it's still doing it, blah, blah, blah. And so I kind of give it a rundown. And so now it's telling me, okay, here's the problem. And it says basically AI sometimes just doesn't pay attention, because even though in my instructions I told it I only want the input or the output to be the article summaries and then a quick little blurb I could use for my social media. So the answer that Abacus was giving me is how to instruct it to output only the deliverables. So basically, it's just telling me I need to get a little hardcore with it. So it told me exactly what to drop in. So if we come all the way down here, then here's all of the instructions. And then it said, hey, if you want, just I can rewrite everything. So I said, okay, here's all the instructions that I gave it. And I mean, I thought it was pretty clear. Top 5 AI headlines, 3 key takeaways, bullet form, and then write me a social media post, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Again, let me come back here and look at you for a second. Again, it did what I asked. And then once we put in those revised instructions, it was better. I wasn't getting all that, I did this, I did this, I did this. But then as I'm reading it for my audience, I thought it's not hitting the point of what I need. So I had a little chat with Abacus, and I said, okay, look, here's the deal. My people, the people that I coach, people that's inside of Digital Business Academy, they're creatives, they're entrepreneurs, they're just trying to run an online business. They want to stay ahead of the curve, but please, we don't want all this deep techie stuff. And oh, by the way, maybe I should include some other trending articles like productivity and managing your tasks, things that I help people with. So I'm kind of brainstorming. So let me come back here and show you. So I'm brainstorming. It's like, well, then, maybe I need something else. And so then Abacus is saying, your instructions are excellent and detailed. Oh, let me scroll down. I think this was from the first back and forth. Okay. So now it's saying, okay, my problem now is really a topic framing. Okay. It's like, oh, perfect. That, Abacus is beginning to understand me. Yes, that's right. Topic framing here. So now it's kind of reworking, saying, I think this is what you want. And then it says, so instead of just AI news, how about work better trends with AI led? And it's like, yes. And so then I'm having this little conversation. And then I'd also said, not every day has to be about AI. So it's like, okay, why don't we come up with a weekly rotation? Great idea. And it's just telling me suggestions on that. And then another thing that I wanted, let me come back here. The teacher inside of me, I just don't want to dump information on people. I want them to be able to take this little nugget and to apply it. And so I said, with the little bullet points and the little summary that you're giving me, help me take this information and basically turn it into a teachable moment that people can actually go out and apply it, that they'll understand, they get that concept, they can apply it and actually put it into action. So anyway, so that's part of the dialogue that we had. So as we go on here, it's so now if we come down, so it's kind of rewriting everything. And then it's telling me why it's more relatable. Okay, that sounds good. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to paste in this new set of directions. Okay. So now here it's saying, so my updated task instructions, drop in replacement. You can replace your current task instructions with this full version. So I'm going to start right here where it says critical, and I'm just going to copy down. I'm going to keep going, and then down to end of deliverable. So I'm going to copy this, and now I'm going to update my task. So if I come over here to the left at the bottom, I'm going to click on task. And again, remember I said I had 3 tasks that I was testing, and it's this top one, my weekday AI news brief. So I'm just going to click on manage and then edit. It's that simple. And then here's this little set of directions. I'm going to delete that and paste that in. Up here, I'm just going to say, I'm going to change the title, AI and productivity news. That's what I'm going to call it here. Okay. It will email me every day, Monday through Friday. So I'm going to update this, and task has been updated. Okay. So let me come back. So super easy. And I'm just looking over at my email. I'll bring that over so you can see it. So do you see how, it's not the perfect prompt. A lot of times it's us. We kind of have a fuzzy idea of what we're wanting, what we need, but how can we implement it? And like I say, this Abacus, I think it's going to become, I think, my favorite tool, at least for the next month anyway, till something else changes. But do you see how by having this back and forth, I tried something, I implemented. Then I went back to the drawing board. I went back to AI saying, this isn't quite right. I don't like this. I tried to give it very specific examples. And so we had this play back and forth. And now I'm just looking here, and let me see. Let me just see what it found here. Okay, so it just sent me an email saying, okay, it's put all these directions in and it's going to start turning it. And if it's not completely right, then guess what? I'll go back to Abacus and I'll say it's still not quite right. But again, our AI tool, we have to be super specific because it can't read our mind, even though we think it can a lot of times. All right, is that making sense? So that it's how can I say this? AI is going to be a huge time saver. It's really going to be great in our business and our lives. Okay. But we need to be specific in what we're trying to do. All right. And this is just a little tidbit of what we do inside of AI Digital Business Academy. We test these tools early. We break it on purpose. We try to take all of this chaos and overwhelm and come up with systems that we can run our business so that we can work less, make more money, and actually have a life, because that's why we started our online business to begin with. So anyway, come play with us inside of the AI Digital Business Academy if you want that hands-on support, if you want to stay on the cutting edge of what's happening with AI. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do me a huge favor. Would you share my channel with other people trying to bump up my subscription base here? That would be awesome. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.